Imagine this: 90 days from now, you wake up feeling lighter, calmer, more in control of your life. Your space is clean, your mind is clear, your goals are finally making sense. And for the first time in a long time, you feel like yourself again. Not the overwhelmed version of you, not the confused version of you, but the version of you that knows exactly where she's going. That's what this video is about. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your life in 90 days, step by step, not in a complicated way, but in a real, simple, powerful way that actually works. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you how to make this process even easier using a system I personally created. So, yay, let's start. Our first step is going to be decide who you're becoming. Hear me out. Before you clean your life, before you create routines, before anything, you need to decide one thing, and that is who you are becoming. Because most people try to change their life without changing their identity. And then they say, I want to be more productive. I want to be more confident. I want to be more disciplined. But they still see themselves as the same person. And that's why nothing changes. So I want you to ask yourself this: if my life was exactly how I want it in 90 days, who would I be? How would I wake up? How would I talk to myself? What would I stop tolerating? This is where your reset begins. Not outside, but inside. And that leads us to our next step. So for step number 2 will be clean your life. Now that you know who you're becoming, it's time to make space for her. Because the truth is, you cannot step into a new life while holding on to old one. So we clean everything right here, right now. We start by 1, your environment. Just look around your space. Is it peaceful or is it draining you? So we start small. Small by cleaning your room. Organize your space. Remove things that don't align with your new self, because your new environment shapes your mindset. And 2, your digital life, your phone, your social media. Ask yourself, does this inspire me or distract me? Unfollow anything that makes you feel insecure. Waste your time. Doesn't align with your goals. 3, your circles. This one is hard, but it's necessary. Not everyone can come with you into your new life, and that is okay. So that will bring us to our next step, step number 3. For step number 3 is create your 90-day plan. Now this is where everything starts to come together, because clarity without structure leads to nothing. You need a plan, but not an overwhelming one. A simple, focused, realistic 90-day plan that you can break down into a few sections. For example, like mind, body, life, money, goals, routine. Then ask yourself, what do I want to improve in each area? Now here is where most people get stuck. They try to keep everything in their head, and that's why they lose focus. This is exactly why I created my 90-day reset planner. Because instead of guessing what to do every day, you have a clear system that guides you step by step. Daily focus, habit tracker, clear direction, your day-to-day thing, spirituality, money, mindset, and all of that are in there. So you are not just motivated, you are consistent. Which brings us to our next step, step number 4. Build daily habits. Your life doesn't change in 90 days. It changes in what you do daily. So start with simple habits like morning routine, wake up with intention, no phone first thing in the morning, set your focus for the day, daily focus like 1 to 2 important tasks, not 20 things, just what actually matters. Night reset, okay, reflect, reset your space, and prepare for tomorrow. Consistency is more powerful than perfection. You don't need to do everything, you just need to keep going. So, for our last and final step, which is step 5, is going to be the mindset shift. This is the part no one talks about enough. You will not feel motivated every day. No, you don't feel motivated every day. There are times where you feel tired, lazy, doubtful, and that is normal. But the difference between staying stuck and changing your life is this: do you keep going anyway? Start talking to yourself differently. Instead of, I can't do this, say something like, I'm becoming someone who does this. Confidence is not something you wait for, it's something you build. If you've been feeling stuck, lost, or just ready for a change, let this be your sign. You don't need a new year. You don't need permission. You just need a decision. And if you want help structuring your 90-day reset, I created a full system for you. My 90-day planner, my Reset and Elevate course. Everything is linked in the description to guide you step by step on how to reset your life in 90 days. Your new life is not far away. It's just 90 days of consistency away. And trust me, I believe in you. So stay peace. Until next.